Hey everybody, I am Surbhi and you are watching Key Differences. In this video, I am going to talk about what is organizing, its characteristics, process and importance. So friends, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. What is organizing? Friends, organizing is the second key management function after planning that facilitates the smooth functioning of the enterprise. In a company, it means putting jobs in order, making clear who does what, and ensuring everyone knows how to work together. It refers to the process of arranging people, resources, and tasks to achieve specific objectives. It is all about coordinating and structuring various elements of an organization to ensure that its goals are met efficiently and effectively. It involves deciding the ways and means with which the plans can be implemented. With organizing, the manager brings order out of disorder, removes confusion concerning work and responsibility, and frames an ideal environment where all the members of the organization can work in tandem. It entails defining jobs and work relationships, assigning different tasks associated with the plans, arranging and allocating resources, defining a structure which distinguishes duties, responsibilities, and authorities, and scheduling activities to maintain smoothness and effectiveness in operations. Coming to the characteristics of organizing: division of labor, division of tasks among employees based on individuals' skills and expertise is called division of labor. Further, it involves allocating responsibilities to individuals or groups to enhance efficiency. Next, coordination. It ensures that different parts of the organization work together seamlessly. The aim is to achieve harmony and unity among various departments and functions. Next, hierarchy. Organizing involves establishing a clear chain of command with defined levels of authority. Further, the organization is structured in a way that facilitates communication and decision making. Next, authority and responsibility. At this stage of management, authority levels of each position in the organization are clearly defined. Further, responsibilities are assigned to individuals based on their roles and positions. Next, span of control. It involves determining the number of subordinates a manager can effectively supervise. Next, departmentalization. It is all about grouping tasks and activities into functional units or departments. Further, it entails improving efficiency by concentrating similar activities within specific units. Moving on to the process of organizing. Identifying objectives. The process of organizing starts with defining the organization's objectives and goals. Next, division of work. After identification of objectives, the next step is to divide the overall task and responsibilities among individuals and groups. Next, departmentalization. Once division of work is complete, it is followed by departmentalization, wherein similar activities and functions are grouped to form departments. Assigning duties. After the formation of departments, employees are placed in different departments under a manager called departmental manager. Thereafter, employees are assigned the jobs as per their skills, qualifications, and competencies. Next, establishing reporting relationships. Deployment of work is not all. The employees must be aware whom they have to report to and who can give them orders. Hence, work relationships need to be established clearly, which helps in the creation of hierarchical structure of the organization. Next, provision of resources. After the establishment of reporting relationships, the next step is to arrange and deploy resources such as money, materials, machines, supplies, etc. to employees for carrying out day-to-day operations of the organization. Next, setting up formal and informal channels. After the provision of resources, the next step is to foster an environment that encourages open communication among employees. Next, the final step in the process of organizing is the coordination of efforts and scheduling of activities logically and systematically so that the common objectives can be achieved effectively. Moving on to the importance of organizing. Systematic classification of jobs reduces workload and boosts productivity. This is because the organization will get benefit of specialization wherein workers will perform specific work regularly according to their competency. Next, it defines communication flow and establishes superior subordinate relationships. This removes confusion and chaos in getting orders and instructions. Next, it ensures optimal use of human, material, financial, and technical resources. This is because resources are provided to the employees as per the requirement of the job. Next, organizing facilitates survival and adaptation to changes by making substantial changes in the strategies, hierarchy, relationships, etc. Next, organizing encourages creativity in executives. This is because delegation of authority reduces their workload and they get time to identify new methods to perform the work. It also enables them to explore new areas for their growth and development. So friends, this brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope the concept of organizing is clear to you now. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with other people. Also, if you are new to this channel and wanna get more such useful videos, consider subscribing the channel and also hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. And if you have any queries or feedback for me, feel free to leave in the comment section below. Until next time, this is me Surbhi signing off.